Welcome back. In this session, we will have a look at Sovelia Inventor draw plates. What draw plates does, it selects all the plates from a model. It could be a model with several different components. It could be profiles or pipes or whatever, but it will pull out everything that is defined as a plate and create drawings of it. Cut drawings which can be exported and sent to CNC and so on. So if we look at, first of all, how to define a plate, well, Sovelia Inventor will measure a lot of things automatically, like content center profile, content center pipes, and if it's a sheet metal plate, Inventor will measure that. The flat pattern extents of the plate, so we can get enough material for it, and so on. So we can set up this automatically. This is a skeleton model, and we have just model things in it. Inventor really don't know yet what it is. So if we have a look at a plate, for instance. So let's have a look at this plate here. And when we look at it, we can see that it's not really aligned to any axis and work plane. It's just floating free. That's okay. We does not measure related to any axis or work planes and so on. We measure the real thing. So if I start my Sovelia Inventor property editor, and I have to tell Inventor now, well, Inventor, my friend, this is a plate, and you see it now measures the plate as it is. We also automatically can measure many things. You see here, this is max length, minimum length, and minimum length. And we also measure in space, but that's not usable for us to really to measure the size of the plate because it's not aligned to any planar faces and so on. But it's measured if we want it to be measured. So how do we measure this plate? Well, we are going to buy material to make this plate. So for this plate, you see what we have done is that we measure, just a moment. You see we measure 12, that is the thickness, but then we measure this length, and this is how much material you need to use to cut this plate. So this is the piece of size you have to cut this plate. Of course, you can measure the area and so on, but this is how we have chosen to do it when you have designs like this. Okay, so what do we do then? Well, let's go back to our model. First of all, we have to tell the inventor that all of this, it's plates. As we see in the beginning, we have methods to really go through a model and fix it, but this is plates. Well, so let me just start the property editor and select everything like this and just say, well, update code, everything now is plates. That's good. And then the description will be written from that. I can add material, just steel and whatever this. And I can add a title and call it plate and add symmetry and yeah, whatever, you know. I can say this is this SI traverse like this. Apply, and the category for this will be maybe a laser cut for everything. Yeah. So it's okay now. We just select purchase. It shouldn't be anything, so we just set that blank. Okay. And now Sovelia Inventor will add properties to all those documents and just finish that property. Good. So it's okay if you select the top where you see it's defined now how it is. size, it's measured, ready, and everything is ready to go. So what I do then, I just start Sovelia Inventor, draw plates, and it will tell me that, yeah, I will put every those plates in a new drawing file. Press this and you see it starts to build this file for me. And you see what this does. It sorts the plates for material and thickness. This is 8 millimeters plate. It put them in one sheet. 10 millimeter plates in one sheet, and you see you have information inside for each plate that you have created. So everything is defined and added into this drawing sheet. And now you can export it and do whatever you like with it. So this is one way of doing it. And of course, this can be configured into Inventor and this ini file. So that's it. We will go to the next session. Thank you.